In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively contact Surveymonkey support to address any questions or issues you might be experiencing with your account. Whether you're having trouble navigating the platform or you need assistance with a survey, reaching out to their support team can be crucial for a smooth experience. If you're looking for the fastest and most personalized assistance, logging into your Surveymonkey account is the best starting point. Once you're logged in, you'll need to locate the information icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. This icon looks like a lowercase I in a circle and is your gateway to getting the help you need. Upon clicking this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. If you're still logged into your account, you should select the option that says Contact Support. On the other hand, if you happen to be logged out, don't worry. You can still access assistance by selecting the Fill in a Support Request form from the same drop-down menu. Now, once you've selected the appropriate option for your situation, you'll be prompted to categorize your issue. This is an essential step because Surveymonkey's support system uses this information to suggest relevant help articles that might just have the solution you're looking for. If you find that these articles provide the answers you need, excellent! You've solved your issue swiftly. However, if none of the suggested articles meet your needs, you can proceed to submit a detailed support ticket by clicking on Request Support. Keep in mind, Surveymonkey offers 24/7 email support for all of its users, no matter your subscription level. So you can rest assured knowing help is just a few clicks away at any time of the day or night. When crafting your support request, it's important to be as detailed as possible. This means providing clear and concise information about the issue you're facing, which will help the support team assist you more efficiently. Try to include relevant details such as error messages, steps that led to the problem, and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried on your own. Remember, reaching out for support is a normal part of using any platform, and Surveymonkey's team is there to help ensure your experience is positive and productive. By following these steps and utilizing the tools available to you within your account, you can get back to your surveys and data collection tasks in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.